Sony just announced their new look for the PS5 console this holiday season, which is basically a smaller and slimmer version with some minor upgrades. Previously, we compared the original PS5 with the Xbox Series X, and now the new version is coming out, so how good of a performance boost can we expect from this newer version of PlayStation 5 compared to the Xbox Series X? Let's find out.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Well, as the name suggests, the new PS5 is comparatively smaller than the original one. It's approximately 358mm in width, 96mm in height, and 216mm in depth. Besides, there's also a small change on the exterior as well. Now, it includes 4 separate cover panels. The top panels got a glossy look and the bottom ones remain the same as the original ones. On top of that, if you get the digital edition, now there's a way to install the Ultra HD Blu-ray disc driver, but yeah, you won't get it right out of the package. You have to buy it separately, which will cost you around $79.99. On the other hand, the Xbox Series X is still comparatively smaller when it comes to overall dimensions. It's 301mm in height and 151mm in both width and depth. Although a bit smaller, the PS5 is still slimmer and weighs less than the Xbox Series X, which is 7 pounds only, while the Series X is approximately 9.8 pounds. So yes, if you're looking for a light quality console, then the new PS5 Slim is definitely the one you need. If you look at the specs, Sony hasn't changed anything for the new slimmer version of PS5 internally. It's still powered by AMD's 8-core 16-thread Zen 2 processor, which has up to 3.5 GHz clock speed. And this new model comes with 1TB of SSD by default. Other than that, everything remains the same, including the 16GB GDDR6 system memory. In comparison, the Xbox Series X is also powered by the Zen 2 processor, however, it has a slightly higher clock speed of up to 3.8 GHz. And yes, everything else is pretty much the same, including the 1TB of SSD storage and 16GB of GDDR6 system memory. So performance-wise, even though the Series X has a slightly higher clock speed, it's barely noticeable. However, the loading time in the Xbox Series X is faster compared to the PS5. But is there any chance of witnessing the Pro version of the PS5 anytime soon? In case of PS4, the Pro version arrived 3 years after its original release, and we have also seen a great graphical enhancement. And judging by Sony's time frame, it's almost time for the Pro version to arrive if they have any plans to release it. But since they just announced an alternative slim version, it seems like they really don't have any plans for the PS5 Pro model at the moment. Maybe they'll reveal it by the end of 2024, or maybe there will be no PS5 Pro at all, but one thing we are certain about, it's not coming anytime soon. So the price for the PS5 with Ultra HD Blu-ray disc drive is $499.99 and the digital edition costs $449.99, while the Xbox Series X costs $489.99. Overall, the price is also pretty close to each other. However, the Series X is a bit more affordable compared to the Ultra HD Blu-ray disc drive edition of PS5 Slim. Now, should you be getting the new PS5 Slim over Xbox Series X? Well, if you don't own any game consoles and looking forward to buying a new one, then yes, of course. Because let's be honest, PS5 comes with more exciting gaming titles than the Xbox Series X includes. For example, Marvel's Spider-Man series, God of War series, and a few others. But in case you already own a console like the Xbox Series X or the original PS5, then there is no point in rooting for the new slim PS5 version. because the performance overall is the same unless you want to switch to Sony from Microsoft to experience their exclusive titles. So what's your opinion on the new PS5 Slim over Xbox Series X? Let us know in the comment section down below.